Hi there everyone. Today we're gonna do some winter driving. Of course, this is in Canada and this is in December 2024. We got our first big snowstorm. So I'm just gonna go driving and explain, give you a few tips as to how you should handle your vehicle in winter. Now, I have a lot of videos on YouTube, and remember, you can access a full driving course just by going to YouTube and type it in, or you can talk to your tablet or your phone. Just say Driving Buddy System. That's DRIVING system, and say the topic that you'd like. So if you wanted parallel parking, say Driving Buddy System parallel parking, and you'll see a lot of the topics. Okay, same thing for 3-point turn or grade parking, uphill parking, whatever it is. Just say Driving Buddy System and then the topic. Okay, so let's go driving. I've got my mirror all set so I can see out the back window. My windows are clear and I can see all around, as you can see. Now I'm backing out of my driveway, so of course I place the gears. The car's already on, so I place the gear selector to reverse. Now there's snow all around me, including my driveway, and I don't feel like shoveling right now, so I'm just gonna back right out onto the roads. But I keep checking like crazy. Just keep going straight, keep checking, and I'm gonna drive to the left, so I signal to the right and back up. Now I have sufficient room. I stop, put to drive, check around, turn the steering wheel to the left, and I'm off. Now we have a stop sign here, but even if there's a white line, I can't see it, or a crosswalk. So all I have to do is put my signal on to the right and stop right out to the edge of the roadway. Right there. Then I check to the left. There's no one there, so I proceed. Nice and smooth. Okay. So the roads are covered, as you can see, covered in snow. At the stop sign, we're making a right turn. Of course, can't see the white line or crosswalk if there is one, so just signal to the right, mirror, shoulder, and hug the curb, and stop right out to the edge of the roadway so I can see clearly to the left. But that car is parked, it's extended into the roadway, so I can't see properly. So now I inch up, and now I can see, so I go. Now remember, if the video cuts off, don't get angry at me. Just like what you actually saw and subscribe. Okay? So far I'm good. And it's a stop sign here, and I'm making a left. So I signal to the left. No white line can be seen, so I stop at the stop sign right here. My signal is on, so I just have to check, and then I accelerate and turn the wheel to the left. At the stop sign coming up, it's a right turn, and I'm driving on the slow at about 30 kilometers an hour. Right turn, so signal right. I can actually see the sidewalk, so I hug the curb and stop just before it. You just don't go and block it. Someone could be walking across, you don't want to block it. Now I check to the left and I can see that there's a vehicle there. And before I drive off, check to the right, because someone could be coming here. There's no one, so I proceed. Okay, now the roads are clear, just wet and a bit slushy. Of course, remember you hold the steering wheel at the 9 and 3 position. Speed here is 40. I'm doing 50, so I'm gonna back off the gas pedal so we maintain the speed of 40. Now if you can see it, there's a yellow sign with red, yellow, green. That's actually telling you that there's a set of traffic lights ahead. Okay, I intend to make a left turn at the lights ahead, so I signal left, mirror shoulder, get into the left turn lane. And of course I'm gonna be waiting here with my left signal on. Notice how that guy drove across the line here instead of him going around, came across. Okay, so I stop right here with the front of the vehicle just behind that solid white line. Now while I'm sitting here waiting for the lights to change, the idea is to check around, make sure everything is good, so when it goes green I can go. Now it's green, that car is approaching, so I wait for them to get through the intersection and then I accelerate and turn the wheel, and I end up in this lane, and it's only one lane going in this direction, and the speed limit is 80 kilometers an hour. Okay, so the roads are clear, so there's nothing much for me to show to you. So at this point, I guess I'll just end this video. As I drive along, if I see anything of interest to you, then I'll start the video and then explain things to you. Of course, you can see the lines here. You have a solid yellow line and a broken yellow line. It means you should not attempt to overtake in this area. You can overtake, taking a risk, but that's what the lines are there for, to make sure you don't do that. When you have the broken lines, then that's the time for you to overtake, if it's safe. Okay, having said that, I will end this video. So again, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.